Britain's largest car maker, Jaguar Land Rover, said a pause in production due to a cyber attack would now stretch to September the 24th. That extends the stoppage at its British plants to more than 3 weeks. It said it shut down its systems in early September to contain the hack that severely disrupted its retail and manufacturing operations. The luxury car maker, owned by India's Tata Motors, has 3 factories in Britain that usually produce about 1,000 cars per day, but it's told many of its 33,000 staff to stay at home. There's also concern about the financial impact of the stoppage on JLR's British supply chain. It includes many smaller companies and supports 104,000 jobs across the country. The Unite trade union has warned of job losses and said government support would be needed given the lengthy stoppage. JLR has said the incident has affected some data, although it remains unclear whether it involved customers, suppliers or internal systems. The breach was the latest in a string of cyber and ransomware attacks targeting companies around the world. In Britain, household names including Marks & Spencer and Co-op have fallen victim to increasingly sophisticated breaches.